My name is Sriditya. I am a member of Delhi Public School, Nabikol. I am grade 5G. Today I am going to tell you all the things we can do in our lockdown period. Let's start. Before that, let me give you a quick report. Okay? Let me tell you. I think this is a perfect time for us to recollect all the things we are bad at. Guys, am I right? I think it's the perfect time for you too. That's why maybe we can increase the things we are bad at and make them be more good at, right? Yes. Now let's go to the next thing. Learning new things. In learning new things, I know everyone in this period of holidays we have been learning certain of things. Let me give you an example. Learning new things is nothing about searching up new things. Okay? For example, if we want to learn about, if we search up about old people, famous people. For example, let's just take Gandhiji, right? Why is Gandhiji called Father of India? Does anyone know? I think we all know. But if we want to know that, we should first search it up in internet or read some books about it, right? We'll not know automatically, right? That is only called learning something new. The thing we don't know and the thing we now will learn is called learning something new. I hope everyone is learning something new in this time. Now let's go to new language. Before new language, for a small point, I think everyone has an online classes app, right? Like Byju's, iReader. That's the best app to download it's the best app to download if we want to recollect anything we don't know, right? Okay. Moving on to the next thing. Learning a new language. In learning a new language, everyone knows how to learn new languages, but if we want to go to a place, if we want to go to a place and that is our future place we want to go to, we must learn the language to communicate with people, right? And make us new friends. If we want to go to Germany, we should learn the language German, right? Right. Because if we don't learn the language German, how will we make friends? How will we communicate with the people? How will we ask things? Like which direction we should go, which direction we should go to that park, which direction we should go to the airport. Like that we should ask, right? So it's better if we learn a new language before we go to our future places, right? If you already know the place, like if you want to go to Germany and if you already know the place, like the German language, maybe you can learn another thing, right? You can learn another language, maybe French, because it's a bit similar to German. So maybe you can learn French, maybe you can learn Spanish, maybe you can learn Hindi. There are so many options, but learning never stops our mind, okay? Remember that. Coming to new skills. In new skills, we have so many things to learn. But the thing I want to tell you is, in new skills, we can also learn so many things which can help us be good in our future. Just like new language is our future place we want to go to, this is our future job we want to be. If you want the future job you want to be, maybe agriculture. We should learn all that, then only we will come to agriculture. Now let's go to hobbies. In hobbies we have drawing. In hobbies, if we want to draw, we must improve our drawing. There's everything we need improvement. It's not successfully in everything, okay? If we want to go to dancing in hobbies, maybe we can improve our steps, right? Yes, right. Thank you for listening. Be safe, be home. Bye.